So today is April 8th and I started my FarmRx tonight. I'm starting it tonight. I'm gonna try it a little different from what I think I should do, but I'll keep you updated on how it's working for me. So I'm gonna start first by putting on the serum, which they recommend, the little serum. And what I will do is just dot it on my face, and not a lot because you don't need a lot, and rub it all in. And after doing that, I will go to the eye cream, which I will definitely just put a little dot, like a toothpick size, because you don't need a lot. Just under my eyes. I really want to get rid of my dark circles. That's one of the things that has bothered me for all my life. So I try everything to always reduce it. So I'm gonna do that next. And then I will do the multivitamin moisturizer, the moisture cream. I am not going to be trying the gel, the cooling gel, which can be used as a face mask, by the way, for another till Sunday. I'm going to use this on Sunday and tell you how it works. But I'm just starting with these three. I don't take, I'm sure it's going to work properly, but I'm just going to start with these three and then keep updating you on how everything is going every day. Okay? So stay tuned. Okay, here I am again today on day 2, which is April 9th. And I'm definitely feeling how good my skin feels even from last night. So I'm doing this just to tell you every morning and every evening. I happened to start yesterday evening, and then I did it this morning, and I'm gonna do it this evening. So I'm doing it twice a day as recommended. And once again, I start with this, which is the serum. A little bit, it's a dropper. Just let me just show you. So it's a little dropper, if you can see that. And I don't put in a lot. I put a little bit, so you can see. And I drop it on my forehead, my chin, and my 2 cheekbones. And then I rub it in, because a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna see how long the trial kit lasts me, and I'll report that to you as well. But I'm going to just use a little bit, because last night I think I did a little bit too much. I did the same thing, my forehead, my 2 cheekbones, and my chin, but I did a little too much. And with the eye cream, I did enough. I just did a dot. It's almost like a toothpick dot under each eye and I don't rub it, I pat it in. So this is what I've learned from the Avon Academy training, that you just pat it in, you don't rub it. So I'm gonna do that. And once again, I'm only using this multivitamin moisture cream today. As I said, the gel, I'll probably put it in the fridge as well, because I like my gels, my cooling gels, very cold. So I'll put it in the fridge, and I will use it on Sunday. So that will make me, let's see, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 4 days. I don't think this is something I will use every day, but I will let you know how it worked for me when I use it Sunday, after using all these things Thursday night, twice Friday, twice Saturday, and Sunday morning. And I'll use the gel, and I'll let you know. I'm not going to use it as a face mask yet, because it can be used as a face mask. I'm just going to use it regularly. But this box actually comes with all the information on the back of how exactly you need to use it. I'll just keep updating you on what I'm doing and how things are growing, okay? I had planned to do a mini spa today with Dr. Bulmer face mask, but I'll wait on Sunday. I always do a spa on Sunday. I'll do a full spa, not a mini spa. So with our bubble bath, with everything, but wait for it. You'll see it. Thank you for watching. Come back tomorrow.